What is a second parent adoption, and why is this important for same-sex couples? Hi, I'm Ada Hasloecher with the Divorce and Family Mediation Center, and I want to talk about this very important topic today. Although the Supreme Court passed and sanctified the law of the land about same-sex marriage in this country, it was a very close decision, 5-4. And when I'm working with same-sex couples who have children, and I'm going to give you an example in a moment, I think it's a good idea to have a second parent adoption in place, even if the non-birth parent is on the birth certificate. My colleagues and sources in the know strongly recommend it. And here's the scenario. Helen and Jackie are married in New York State, and they've got a 5-year-old son, Brendan. And although Jackie is on the birth certificate because Helen is the birth mother, you would think that that is sufficient. But if Helen decided to go back home to Oklahoma, maybe a state that is not so friendly towards same-sex marriage, and went there on a vacation with Brendan and then decided, you know what, I think I'm going to live here now. I can still do my job here. I've got family and friends who can help me out with Brendan. Now Jackie has to challenge that relocation and herself as a parent. Again, she's on the birth certificate, but that may not be sufficient. And what is going to happen for Jackie is that she's going to have to spend a lot of money and energy challenging this situation, finding an attorney in Oklahoma. And let's talk about the time. The time that it's going to take to get this settled will be time that she's going to be away from her son, Brendan, and Brendan is going to be away from his mom, Jackie. So I think that even though in New York State, which is a much more liberal state, these sorts of things would be not an issue, that it could be in another state. My philosophy when I go on vacation and I'm packing is better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. And here's a situation where I think doing a second parent adoption anyway is really a good idea. So please come to my table, Ada Hasloecher, Divorce and Family Mediation Center. Thank you for listening.